Here comes Jordan. Wow. Good boy. Woo. It's okay. You took the bag with you.
Wow.
Good job, Jordan.
She's gonna make us some money one day.
It's a she. They said she's so pretty. Wow, look at you go, Jordan. You're fast. Wow, that's awesome. Look at you. Wow, that's a good job. That's a good boy. That's awesome. Hold on, Jordan. Jordan, hold on. I've got a video camera. Mommy's gloves are off. Hold on 1 second. Hold on, sweetness. Just relax. Make a snow angel. Right? You want to do a snow angel in the snow? You know how to do that? What's Justin doing up there? Is that relaxing? Okay, Daddy's going to hurry up and get Justin down so we can go because my hands are about to freeze off. Wow, he's up at the big hill. Okay, Jordan, better watch out. Your brother's going to come down. I have a feeling he might go this way. Whoa, he's doing tricks. Ooh. Watch your brother. Okay. Ooh, good job, Justin. Nice stop. Great job. I was going to say, there goes Jordan.